Welcome to Valerie's Kitchen. The recipe here and in the description below can be used for pretty much almost any kind of fruit. Just substitute the juice and the extract. And if you're using orange or lemon, use the zest instead. That's always better. And the recipe here is also a little thicker because I'm going to be making this pineapple curd for my Pina Colada Cake. How cool is that? Anyway, let's go have some fun. You want to first gather your ingredients together. 2 large eggs, 2 large egg yolks, 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of pineapple extract, 1 cup of pineapple juice reduced in half. Bring the pineapple juice to a simmer on low heat for a few minutes to reduce it by half. And let's check it. Yep, perfect. Now, add the sugar, cornstarch, and butter. And whisk that together over a medium heat until the sugar's dissolved. Whisk in your egg and egg yolks. And I can already feel the resistance and it thickening up. When it gets to 170, it's at 160 now. That'll be right at the thick stage. Another way to tell is if your spoon leaves a distinct path. This way, we're going to catch any scrambled eggs we might have made on mistake. We don't want any lumps in our curd, and you can already see I've got some scrambled eggs. And don't forget the bottom. And now for extra flavor, whisk in your extract. This will thicken up as it cools down. When you chill it down in the refrigerator, cover it with plastic and make sure the plastic touches the curd so that way a skin won't form. It'll also keep in the refrigerator for 10 to 14 days. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you try it at home, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment about how it turned out, or let me know if you had any questions. I'd love to share anything I can to help you in your baking adventure and having fun in your kitchen.